Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give complete explanation about 5 MNC started their hiring. Before going there, just subscribe and like my channel. I'm just providing 5 to 6 companies per day. You can visit our channel at any time. If you have any doubt, comment me, I will surely help you guys. The first one going to be in Technology Process Training Indian from Gurkam. And the second one going to be in Electronic Cities Bangalore. This is from Hyderabad location, .NET developer. And this is going to be multiple job opportunities, how to find job opportunity from Deloitte companies. And this is what they're from Associated Data Cleaner Operation from Analyst from Emaron from all over India. So these are all the opportunities I'm going to show you. So watch the video till end. If you spend 1 or 2 minutes, you will get one job. The first one will be a Technology Process India Limited from Haryana. Job description they can mention. Everything is going to handle by phone calls and email only. B.Tech, ME, Tech all can apply for this one. Multiple job opportunities they are providing. A degree is mentioned which there. All kind of computers, electronics all can apply for this one. They won't charge any amount guys. So don't pay any amount. Full time graduation only they are hiring. So technology they are providing. You just want to apply here. Next one going to be in Deloitte.NET developer from analyst role from Haryana, which they mentioned Hyderabad. This location, before location Haryana. This is what the development role. XP freshers they are looking for a job. Level to 8 AM. Hyderabad Electronic Cities location. B.Tech, ME, Tech. This is what they are expecting from the students. And the benefit of the Deloitte culture, everything they can mention here guys. This is what they from multiple role which you are looking. If you are freshers, you can search here. Experienced candidate, you can search it here. How to find a jobs in Deloitte, you can apply here. This is what they from Associated Data Cleaning Operation Analyst from company Amazon from all over India. This is what the job profile about the duties and responsibilities. All kind of role they can mention here itself. The required position, everything they can provide here guys. If you are looking for a good data cleaning jobs, you can start apply here. One of the easiest way to get a job, like these startup companies to get a job easily. So you can start your journey here. You just want to click apply now. You're going to apply in Workday LinkedIn portal. So be prepared, and if you're not create account, just create it. It will be helpful for you. It takes some time guys. So before guys, just visit our channel. This is our channel. Just subscribe and like my channel every video. Surely it will be helpful for you to get a job. So it's open. Just a minute guys. You just want to fill it with your resume manually, and while our last application, this is the 3-way you can apply. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thank you guys.